Agricultural construction supports farming activities, including barns, silos, greenhouses, irrigation systems, and storage units. These projects involve unique risks tied to rural locations, weather, and operational hazards. Key underwriting considerations. 1. Project types: barns and livestock facilities, fire, disease containment, and structural risks. Silos and grain storage, grain dust explosions and structural instability. Greenhouses, weather and fire risks from heating systems. Irrigation systems, equipment failure and water contamination risks. Storage facilities, fire and theft risks for machinery, fertilizers, and chemicals. 2. Construction techniques: durable materials: wood, metal, concrete with fire-resistant properties. Ventilation systems for fire prevention and health. Dependable utility systems: electricity, heating, water. 3. Location risks: rural areas, delayed emergency response and weather exposure. Proximity to hazards: floods, wildfires, and pests. Climate factors: risks from storms, droughts, and hail. 4. Regulatory compliance: compliance with agricultural building codes and environmental standards. Proper storage of hazardous materials like pesticides and fertilizers. Risks and perils. 1. Construction phase risks: equipment theft and worker injuries. Delays from weather or supply disruptions. 2. Operational risks: fire risks in barns, silos, and greenhouses. Structural failures due to poor maintenance or extreme weather. Water contamination from waste mismanagement. 3. Liability risks: public liability for injuries or contamination. Environmental liability for runoff from fertilizers or pesticides. 4. Natural perils: floods, windstorms, hail, and drought impacting structures and operations. Policy structure. 1. Standard coverage: builder's risk insurance for construction materials and delays. Operational all-risk policies covering fire, structural failure, and liability. Endorsements for environmental and crop storage risks. 2. Common exclusions: gradual wear and tear, poor maintenance. Pollution liability unless endorsed. 3. Premium drivers: facility type, size, location risks, and mitigation measures. Reinsurance considerations: excess of loss treaties for catastrophic events like fire or floods. Proportional treaties for lower risk projects. Monitor aggregation risks in regions prone to droughts or floods. Example: grain silo in a flood zone. Actions: assess drainage, structural reinforcements, and fire safety. Coverage: builder's risk, operational all risk, and pollution liability. Reinsurance: apply excess of loss treaties for catastrophic risks. This approach ensures effective risk management, compliance, and profitable underwriting for agricultural construction projects.